how to fix touch not working on your Samsung. So guys, for this case, I recommend to go to your Google Play Store, and then once you go to your Google Play Store, come to the search bar, and then on the search bar, search for touch. So you're going to go ahead and then download a third-party application which is called the Touch Lite or the Flashlight. So I recommend you download this one, which is rated 4.6 and it's only 6.1 MBs. That is very small. If you can use Wi-Fi, you can get it. Actually, I'm using Wi-Fi. So after doing that, guys, wait for it to install, and once it's done installing, guys, go ahead and then open it. So guys, once you open it, you tap on the flashlight, and then your flashlight on the Samsung will be fixed and it will be working once again. So quickly, guys, I'll go ahead and open it, as you can see, and just touch on this flashlight over here. And when you give it access, it then works. As you can see, guys, it's very simple. It even displays the battery percentage of your phone. That's it, guys, for me. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.